Okay. All right, guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we're talking about map direction. And then before we do that, guys, I want you guys to introduce yourself, especially for the newcomers. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, because we see the new people here, new faces here. Yeah. Okay. I want to ask one by one. All right. Hello, Ka Mashita. How are you doing? And then the reason of why are you joining with our class in English for Ahwat, please, Ka Mashita. The floor is yours.
Okay, good morning, everyone. I'm Ashita, and the reason I joined this class is to improve my English skill, especially for professional purposes. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Ka Mashita. So, would you consider yourself that you are in intermediate level so far? I mean, with the vocabulary or with the speaking?
Yes, maybe I'm on intermediary class or grade, but I also need more. I also need learning more again to improve my vocabulary.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for joining with us, Kamashita. Okay. I hope that I satisfy you with your needs. Okay. Because this is our third batch actually. So this is our third batch. So we already learned probably like maybe we've met our previous meeting was 14. Yeah, yeah, probably 14 around that. So it was really long time that we started this class. However, I don't want you guys to feel like you left behind because I mean, in intermediate level, we have so many things to talk. We have so many things to do, okay? But yeah, well, welcome to join. I hope I can satisfy your needs, yeah. Okay, now I'm going next to Kauri. Let's go with Kauri. Kauri, can you tell me why are you joining with our class, please?
First, can you hear my voice clearly?
Yes, very clear.
Okay, good. Good evening, everyone. I'm Uri, and why I'm joining the course because I want to improve my speaking, English speaking, and I want to improve in my speaking, of course, and then I want to learn about a lot of vocabulary, and I want to improving my English skill also in writing, reading, and also exactly for the speaking. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Lucky you, Kauri, because in my class, I provide you guys with writing and speaking. Okay. So in my class, before you speak your mind, I want you to write it first. So I know that you understand the grammar accuracy. Okay. So if you're speaking in my class, okay, I'm sorry if I sometimes interrupt you. I interrupt you because of your grammar. I need to fix your grammar so you're not making any mistake. Well, minor mistake is fine, all right. But in my class, that I always suggest you that, oh, I can do that. Oh, we have, wait, hold on. We have two names, Ida? Was it your other account, Kaida?
I sorry, I just saved to my phone before I
Oh,
tap because I think it's not so clear in my tap
oh, okay,
the
okay.
voice. Yeah,
All
I
right,
did
all
it
right.
better.
I thought that was another person joining our class.
No, no, no. I just switch all the
Okay.
other ones.
All right. Thank you. Okay. All right. Last one, I would go with Kak Novi. Hello, Kak Novi. Same question, please. The floor is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is
My name.
Novi. My name is Novi.
Mhm.
I just want to improve my English
Mhm.
and then build my confidence.
Okay. Anything
That's it.
in your mind that, oh, I want to talk about this, Miss, talk about this topic. Do you have some requests about that?
I think everything.
Oh, everything.
Yes.
Okay. So you are a very easygoing person. I can see. Yeah. Okay. You up for any kind of topic?
Uh, everything, education, sports,
Okay. Okay.
something. Yeah, as long as not about war.
As long as, sorry.
As long as not about war or this kind of situation nowadays.
Oh, you mean about like trending news? Is that what you mean?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Well, if you guys leveling up your English, then the advanced English level, we talk about that.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, but yeah, don't worry, no worries. Yeah. Okay. We going really basic. I mean, not basic, but I mean, well, basic topic that everyone know. It's very common topic. I would say that. Okay. Thank you, Ganafi, for sharing.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay. Okay, guys. So, without further ado, we now move to our lesson. Okay. So remember, guys, this is the map direction. I know that most of you here already know about map direction. I would ask Kaisha, do you know anything about map direction, Kaisha, like asking and giving directions on the map, Kaisha?
Yes, Miss, because I
Mm-hmm.
once I learned that maybe in the elementary.
Okay.
It was a long time ago.
All right. Do you remember?
Yeah, turn left.
Yes, the left.
I
Okay.
think middle school. Turn left, and then
Mm.
once we made
Mm-hmm.
a map and then give direction. I
Okay.
think it was in the exam,
Oh, okay.
so that's why I remember.
Okay. Okay. So at this point, guys, we're going into our intermediate level with map direction. Okay, the reason why you guys learning about map direction, I know maybe you might think like, what is this? Are we learning only vocabulary? Yes, you're learning all about like vocabulary and some phrases. But guys, let me tell you, does anybody here know IELTS test? Are you familiar with IELTS test?
Yeah.
Okay. Kaisha, yes. Anyone? Anyone
Uh,
else? All right.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Kak Karima, what do you think about IELTS? Have you ever tried to work on IELTS? Like some
Not
practice?
yet, Miss.
Not yet. Okay. Have you
Mm-mm.
seen one?
I ever heard a story from my friends.
Okay. And how was the story of your friend?
Mm-hmm. She said that it's difficult, and if I want to try the IELTS, I have to prepare it properly.
Yes, exactly. Because I also took my IELTS twice in my life. Yes. I mean, I probably want to take my IELTS again because I want to yes, increase my score, my band score. Yes. But yeah, IELTS is the highest, highest English test in English, official test that to prove that you are you are acknowledged and then you also able to speak and write and writing and listening in English. So that's why, guys, map direction is one of the hardest thing that probably make you feel like you don't understand what is this person going to say. Okay, that's why we learned today about map direction because I want you guys, okay, I want you guys to do some role play today. Okay, role play. Jadi role play itu, you make some conversation. Okay, you create the conversation and then you present it to the class. Okay, dan map direction adalah yang paling sering masuk di IELTS. Yes, di IELTS listening, di IELTS writing selalu ada map. Always, nggak pernah nggak ada. Pernah sih nggak ada, nggak pernah. Always in there. Pasti selalu. Saya udah beberapa kali ikut IELTS, 2 kali ya. I think like I took my IELTS twice. dan juga saya udah sering ikut praktisnya dan selalu ada map. Okay? That is why in your intermediate level, guys, I expected you guys to understand some kind of phrases in map direction. Okay, now let's start. Remember, guys, take some notes and then, yeah, prepare your notebook and prepare your pen because you need to take some notes of the vocabularies. All right. Okay, guys, we start from the basic one here. Root elements. Let's go. 1 second. Okay. Yuk, aku start ya. All right. What is roundabout? Let's go. Tell me. What is roundabout? This is the speaking class, so please be active. What is roundabout? Okay.
Runway where we turn around.
Runway where we turn around. Okay. Can
What we say?
what we say?
Ya maksudnya sorry.
It's okay.
Indonesian. Okay. Apa? Bundaran.
Bundaran. All right. Good job. Roundabout, bundaran. All right. Okay. Okay. How about intersection or crossroad? Same thing, yeah? Intersection or crossroad. Tell me. All right. Come on. It's okay.
What is this? Intersection is I forget.
Intersection, sorry?
Pertigaan. Pertigaan
Timpangan
persentan.
ya, Miss.
Yeah, perempatan ya?
Pertigaan. Perempatan.
Yes, exactly. Good job. How about tunnel? Tunnel? How about tunnel? Tunnel? Does anybody know tunnel means?
Terowongan.
Terowongan. How about sidewalk or pavement?
This is trotoar.
Trotoar, good job.
Yeah.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Zebra crossing or crosswalk?
Yeah, of course, way crossing. Penyeberangan, of course.
Okay.
Penyeberangan jalan.
Yeah. Pedestrian, yeah? Pedestrian.
Mhm.
Cool. Okay. Highway or motorway? What is that? Highway or motorway?
Maybe means way, like jalan raya gitu.
Jalan raya? Jalan besar ya?
Yeah,
Okay.
jalan besar.
Good job.
Way.
Yes, the major road. We call them major road ya, jalan raya, jalan besar, major road. Good. Okay. Now, let me tell you guys, if you know this kind of words and you use this in your direction on map, you get to be the intermediate. Ya. Karena ini adalah level-level intermediate aja. Okay. All right, now let's moving into this one. Okay, Kaisha was mentioning about, it was turn left, turn right. Yes, it's very basic, yeah? Turn left, turn right. On the left, on the right. How about when I say like this, okay? Okay. Oh, hello, can you tell me where is the nearest library? Oh, of course, sure. The library is on your left. The library is on your right. It's very easy, yeah? On your left, on your right. Okay, jadi di samping kamu, di samping kanan kiri kamu, okay? How about opposite or across from?
Seberangnya, seberangnya, opposite.
Seberangnya? Okay, so ada di tengahnya. Is there anything in the middle? Seberangnya. What is it in the middle? On the road ya. Berarti ada di seberang jalan ya. Good job. How about when I say at the corner?
Pojokan.
At the corner di pojokan?
Udut.
Di sudut ya.
Ujung.
Ujung. Okay. What about on the corner? It's different. At the corner, on the corner itu nggak sama. Ya, in English. On the corner? How about on the corner?
Berada di antara dua jalan.
Okay. Ya, can you imagine that, guys? Ya, atau bisa dibilang at the intersection, ya, at the intersections. Okay?
Bang.
Yes. Ya, in front of, next to, ini gampang. Ya. Now kita ke sini. When you're talking about map direction, you're talking about distance and measurement. Is it close? Is it near? Close or near? Yeah? Or far? Or far away? Yeah? Or you can also talk about the measurement ya, jangka waktunya berapa ya, ukuran angkanya, ukuran durasi waktunya. Okay, it's about 5 minutes away. How about when I say it's 2 blocks from here? What is it's 2 blocks from here? Coba ada yang tahu apa itu kalau it's 2 blocks
Uh,
from here?
block is like, what is that? In
Block.
one block,
Dua, dua gang dari sini.
Okay, gang. Did you say gang?
rumah-rumah
Yes.
kecil.
Oke. Oh my God. Oke, I mean like I mean kayak aku baru dengar lagi nih gang ya. Alright. Atau lorong ya. Oke ya.
Mhm.
Iya.
Belokan ya. 2 blocks from here. How about if I say like this? Kak Novi, alright. Kak Novi is looking for restaurant which is 2 blocks from here, and then yang here yang ada di sini tuh library. Berarti apa setelah library?
Ada dua tikungan.
Tikungan beda
Two
lagi.
block.
Jalan.
2 blocks.
Dua blok.
Two blocks.
Dua blok dari library.
Berarti ada dua apa? Apa blocks? What is blocks? Ini apa?
Blok.
Sorry?
Kayak sebarisan
Sebarisan
bangunan.
rumah ya.
Dari
Oke.
satu
Rumah-rumah.
persimpangan ke persimpangan satunya.
Iya, oke. Ada lorong ya, oke. Oke, boleh. It's a short walk, it's a long way. Ini gampang ya. Kalau jalan tikungan apa? Bahasa Inggrisnya. Jalan tikus.
Shortcut.
What is it?
Oh,
Short?
kayak shortcut.
Shortcut.
Yes. Ya.
Shortcut itu.
Yes, shortcut ya. Oke. Coba kita lihat di sini ya, map example. Oke. Look at that. Kelihatan nggak ada kalian ini, teman-teman? Oke ya, sebentar ya. Look at this one here, oke, look at ya. Karena sebentar kalian akan baca map dan kalian harus jelaskan sendiri, ya. Nggak ada bantuan. Jadi coba perhatikan di sini dulu, alright? Like look at this one here. Go down, ya, go down to the end of the road, oke, oke. Yang mana di sini? Kira-kira A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J.
J.
Yuk. Oke, ada yang jawab C.
No.
Go
B.
down, ya. Go down to the end of the road. Ingat ya, ada end of the road. Ini paling gampang. Kalau ada end of the road, berarti itu udah jalan buntu setelahnya. Udah nggak bisa. Udah jalan lain itu. Yes? Ada yang jawab? Kenapa? C? C? Yakin? Ada yang jawab beda?
B.
D? Yang mana nih? C, B, or D?
Oh, I think
You think?
E.
E? Adalah ini, E.
Wait. No.
Yuk, ayo, Kak Karima, let's go. Kak Novi, Kak
B.
Masita, ayo. Come on. Sorry?
B, Miss.
B? Ini?
Mm-hmm.
To the end of the road? This one the end of the road? You sure ya? Sure ya? Nggak apa-apa. Benar nggak? Udah sure nggak di situ?
Oh, no. Oh.
Yuk. Ayo. Nah, ini harus diperhatikan ya. Ini makanya yang buat susah. Kadang-kadang kan orang nganggap gampang kan map direction. Nanti pada saat kamu dengerin pas, ini gampang karena kamu lihat dari sini. Kalau kamu dengerin dari listening, wih, udah susah itu. Ya. Go down to the end of the road. Ya, kamu udah bingung, mana nih end of the road nih? Nah, panik. Ya, coba. Jadi yang mana? End of the road. Ayo.
G.
B.
D.
G.
G. Oke.
Yeah.
Oke. Kalau ada yang bilang G, ada yang oke.
Artinya apa?
Belum ya? Belum. Masih salah ya? Oke. Ini masih salah, masih belum kejawab. Oke. Coba ini. Go past the cinema. Ini gampang. Go past the cinema.
D.
Ini ya.
D.
Ini ya. Oke, ini udah kejawab ya. Kenapa? Kalau go past the cinema berarti kamu melewati cinema artinya. Ya. Oke. It's on the corner. Ayo, yang mana itu on the corner?
C.
Hah?
C.
Yes. C ya. Ini kelihatan nih. On the corner. Ini aku bilang on the corner. Jadi kalau on the corner itu dia tuh kayak ada 2 building lagi di sini sebenarnya nih kayak gini nih. Ya. Oke. Go straight on at the lights. Ayo, go straight on at the
G.
lights.
Oh,
G,
G.
G,
G.
G.
G? Ada
Mhm.
tadi katanya go down to end of the road ada yang jawab G.
I think yeah,
So
maybe.
keep it for the last one.
Probably the last one. Oh, I don't know.
Yeah.
Why
Okay.
I think H
Ya.
for
Ini
the
goes
first
Oke,
H.
go straight on at the lights. Ini gampang banget karena ini kan ada traffic light di sini ya.
Mhm.
Ya kan ya, go straight aja. Atau bisa bilang go forward atau go ahead gitu kan. Ya, go straight ahead itu juga bisa ya. Jadi kalau saya bisa
Miss.
bilang go straight on, go forward, go straight ahead itu juga bisa. Oke? So many things ya. Jadi kalian nggak cuma stuck di cuma turn left turn right aja kan. Kalau Google Map kan cuma turn left turn right ya kan. Nah, oke. Now take the next right. Perhatikan kata-katanya. Bukan turn right ya. Take the next right. Berarti kalian turn right kalau udah ada the next right. Yang mana?
I.
A.
A or I?
J,
Yuk.
J.
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 Oh jadi G?
Eh.
Ya udah
J,
menjawab
J.
dong.
I.
Take the
I
next
think the
right.
first one
Is it
is
I?
H.
J.
A.
J, maybe.
J?
Yes.
J ya?
Mhm.
J or I?
I.
J.
J.
I.
Huh?
I.
I.
Yes, I.
Oh.
Ini.
Oh,
Gini, perhatiin. Turn right itu tuh kan begini nih, langsung turn right aja,
Iya,
ya kan?
iya.
Nah, kalau dia
Iya.
bilang take the next right, itu berarti di sini. Maksudnya apa? Berarti berarti ada lagi kendaraan yang ada di sini nih, bisa ada kendaraan di sini. Paham maksudnya? Berarti dua arah, jalanannya berarti dua arah. Makanya dia bilangnya take the next right. Ini. Dia kamu lewat sini. Kalau kamu cuma turn right, kamu bisa lewat sini, kamu juga bisa lewat sini. Paham nggak maksudnya? Oke?
I see.
Yes.
Alright? Any question? Jadi kayak gitu maksudnya, take the next right.
Miss, I
Yes.
think I know the first one.
Oh, the first one. Sebentar. Nggak apa-apa. Nanti kita kasih
Yeah.
tahu. Ya. Siapa tahu kalian langsung nemu kalau udah jawab semuanya, ya kan?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's the
Yeah,
second right. Yang mana is the second right?
J.
Ini udah
J.
pasti.
J.
J. Ya kan? Nah, ini second right gampang. Ya kan? Very easy. Okay. Turn left at the traffic lights.
A.
A.
Okay.
A.
Okay. Cross the road.
F.
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 Cross the road F.
Yeah.
Or A.
Ini ya, opposite. Yes, F.
F.
Okay. It's on your left.
E.
E.
Good job. E. Okay. It's on the other side of the road.
H.
H.
It's on the other side of the road. Ini H ya? Oke. Nah, sekarang yang mana yang belum dapat tadi?
B.
B.
Oh.
Ya, perhatikan ini. Go down to end of the road. Ini udah end of the road. Ini udah nggak ada lagi beda sama. Saya perhatikan ini. Perhatikan ini teman-teman. Perhatikan picture. Look at the picture A and B, and C. Ini kan kalau misalnya kamu disuruh bilang at end of the road, kamu bilangnya, oh, go down at the end of the road. Nah, ini orang pasti ngiranya mana ini end of the road? Karena ini masih ada jalan lagi terus ke sana, right? But this one here, ini udah nggak ada lagi jalanan selain yang ada di sini. Berarti cuma yang ada di sini, go down to end of the road. Nah, baru apa? Turn left kah dia atau turn right kah dia? Kalau cuma satu arah ya tinggal turn right atau turn left ya. Tapi kalau dia dua arah ya tinggal bilang aja, go down to end of the road and turn left. Gitu. Alright. Any question? Ada yang
Berarti kalau di Indonesia
satu.
mentok gitu ya, Miss?
Exactly. Betul. Kalau di perumahan udah nggak ada lagi jalan, udah tembok jadinya. Ya. Okay. Any question?
Miss, so
Yes.
we said that take the next right. It means lajur ke kanan.
Exactly.
Am I right?
Yes. Good.
So
Alright?
But is it
Mhm.
we have a kind of like Indonesian use the right. I mean, Indonesian itu kan lajur kanan ya kalau ada mobilnya.
Mm-mm.
Tapi kalau yang Europe itu lajur kiri. Jadi itu tetap dibilang gitu ya, Miss. Dalam left direction.
Iya, gini, lajur kiri, lajur kanannya, ini kan sebenarnya English ini kan bukan bermaksud kayak, oh cuma di Europe gitu. It's very general, ya. Ini in general. Jadi dia bisa bilang check the left, right, ya tergantung situasi apa jalan rayanya juga. Kalau di Europe dia lebih banyak jalur kiri, ya pasti dia lebih banyak menggunakan take the next left gitu kan. Nah,
Oh,
it's very general. English it's general ya. Jadi ini consider to everything gitu. Ya,
okay.
okay. Yes, any more question for this? Okay, is it clear, guys? Clear? If clear, I next.
Crystal clear, Miss.
Alright ya, ini coba percobaan dulu kan tadi ya udah lumayan ya. Oke, sekarang kita belajar asking direction. Nah ini udah saya kumpulin beberapa ya. Saya tahu kalian udah tahu apa artinya ini ya. Ada yang belum tahu, ada yang nggak tahu artinya yang ada di sini? Coba dilihat dulu. Basically, guys, this is some kind of phrases that you can use if you're asking direction. Okay, so if you go to the foreign countries, okay, gak usah cuman bilang, oh, where is the library? Jangan ya. Jadi ayo, usahakan bilangnya, oh, which way leads to the library in around here? Oh yeah, you can take the, gimana gitu kan? Nah ini beberapa, ini so many phrases that you can use when you're asking directions to the foreigners. Oke, dan hari ini kalian akan bikin role play. Dan role play kalian adalah kalian ya ini asking and giving direction. I'll give you ada example yang udah saya buat ya. Setelah ini akan kalian lihat. Tapi selebihnya kalian akan bikin sendiri. Dan kedua, our next activity adalah kalian reading the map. Okay? Any question on this one here? Asking direction, guys? Ada pertanyaan untuk ini? Alright, I consider it's clear. Oke, Oke, kita kesini lagi ya. Nah, ini kalau dia giving direction. Yuk, kalau dia nggak tahu artinya silakan dibilang ya. Don't worry. Bukan berarti kelas intermediate tahu semua vocabulary. No. Alright? You can tell me. I will tell you di bahasa Indonesia if you don't know. Ini giving direction, oke? Dia nggak tahu artinya?
Yes, what's the meaning of lane?
Ini middle lane.
Yes.
Ini tuh kalau misalnya, you know when you go through the major road, right? Itu kan ada 1, 2, 3. Ini kan ada ini ya. Nah, kalau middle lane itu kamu di tengah-tengah. Kan ada orang yang jalur kanan, kamu jalur tengah. Jadi middle lane itu artinya jalur tengah. Yes.
Kayak di tol ya?
Kayak di tol, exactly.
Okay.
Okay. Ada lagi? Anything else, guys? Yuk. Oh, ini sama ya. Saya salah tulis ini. Apa saya gabungin? Anything else, guys? Yes?
We know, how do we know go through and go for like through the tunnel, like what do you say? Kayak kata ininya lah, Miss, kayak go for, why don't we say go to?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Go through the tunnel means kamu go through the tunnel itu kan kamu pasti akan melewati terowongan ya kan? Terowongan kan pasti dilewati. Ya kan? Melewati. Through kan artinya melewati. Go through the tunnel. Jadi nggak akan ada orang yang bilang go past the tunnel. Sebenarnya bukan nggak boleh ya. Cuman ya go past the tunnel. What? Tunnel itu kan you know, it's very long. Right? I would say that. Like it's a bit long. Dan ketika when you are in the tunnel, right? There is no any building in there. I assume there is no any building in the on the tunnel, right? So for sure kalau kita mau ke tunnel, kita mau melewati terowongan ya, itu cuma satu aja, go through the tunnel. Same thing with kalau kalian ke jembatan, bridge, right? You would say like go over the bridge gitu atau walk across the bridge gitu. Kalau go over the bridge artinya kan ya sama aja sih, go over the bridge itu ya berarti melewati jembatan gitu kan. Nah, atau walk across the bridge and turn left kayak gitu. Nah, itu juga bisa. Oke. Kalau kayak misalnya go straight ahead, artinya kan kamu meluncur aja, apa maksudnya lurus aja, atau go forward itu juga boleh, ya gitu. Jadi rata-rata memang go gitu. Nah, atau pass atau misalnya for example head down atau head apa gitu. Head itu sama juga dengan kamu kayak misalnya kamu start from here. Okay, please you head down to the main road. Itu sama aja artinya kamu menuju gitu. Head down to the main road itu kamu menuju ke jalan utama. Nah, artinya sama kok dengan itu. Ya, cuman ya beda-beda aja phrasesnya, but the meaning is same. That's why. Okay?
And then we say go for 3 blocks. Why do we use 4, Miss?
Why do we use for like go for 3 blocks? Karena kamu nggak masuk ke gini.
Oh,
Kalau kamu bilang go past the block, artinya kan kamu melewati bloknya, kamu nggak masuk kan? Kamu kan nggak masuk ke lorong itu kan? Kamu cuma lewatin aja, ya kan?
yeah.
Kamu cuma lewatin aja 2 ya, oke. But if you say like go for 3 blocks, you actually go in there, gitu. Kamu beneran kamu beneran masuk ke dalam 3 kali kamu masuk dalam suatu lorong ya. Atau tadi ada yang bilang gang tuh, itu juga boleh juga tuh, ya. It's the same thing, gitu. Kamu beneran masuk, gitu. Ya, kamu beneran ngelewatin. Ya. Baru kamu turn right, gitu maksudnya.
Okay, Miss.
Mm-mm.
Thank you.
Okay, alright. Okay, any question guys? Yuk, ayo. Aku tanya deh satu-satu. Ini apa? Ini apa maksudnya nih? Make a right turn at the second street. Apa maksudnya? Ayo,
When
can you
we
imagine that?
arrive at Second Street,
Right,
turn
balik kanan
oh,
pada
Aha.
jalan kedua.
Okay,
Yuk,
make a right
kan
turn at the
ini
second street. It's the same thing nggak kalau saya bilang kayak gini? How about if I say like this? Okay, go past to the First Avenue and turn right at the second avenue. Sama nggak artinya?
alright. Repeat.
Repeat ya. Okay.
Yes.
Please go past, okay, go past to the First Avenue and turn right at the second one, atau at the second avenue. Is this the same thing? Is that the same thing with the make a right turn at the second street? Sama nggak?
I think it's the same.
Same. Avenue itu artinya jalanan, gitu ya. Kalau street itu jalan gitu. Ya, tapi avenue juga sama. Oke? Sama itu artinya. Ya, First Avenue, Second Avenue, Third Avenue, sama artinya. Sama Second Street, First Street, same thing. Okay, alright ya, bisa ya? Oke, kalau nggak ada pertanyaan yang ini lagi, I'll go back ya. Ini yang paling susah ya. Untuk level kalian harus belajar ini. Nggak cuma belajar yang tadi, karena kan aku lihat tadi kalian udah pada bisa ya. Nah, ini adalah compass point. Nah, sometimes guys, the direction itu nggak cuma south, north, east, or west. Sometimes mereka in the middle. Jadi mereka bisa bilang northeast atau southeast or southwest or northwest. Atau bisa juga bilang south side, north side gitu. Di sisi utara, di sisi kalau north side gampang kok, north side, west side, nah itu. Nah, okay. Why is the difference between you guys learning directions with the basic level and intermediate level? Itu adalah kalian pakainya ini kompas. You use kompas. Okay. Ada yang masih bingung use kompas in here? Oke. Oke. Belum ada? Oke. Aku ke sini deh ya. Nah, ini nih. Ini the phrases when you're using compass. Heading as to the north or to the south or to the west or to the east ya, heading ya, menuju. Itu sama aja tuh sama tadi tuh yang go straight, go forward, nah atau move forward gitu. Atau head down itu sama aja. Oke? Tapi yang membedakan adalah directionnya, alright? You're pointing into what direction, in which direction you're pointing at. Itu yang membuat beda, alright? In the northeast, in the southwest, atau north side, east side, yang tadi saya bilang, oh sisi utara, sisi barat, ya itu juga bisa. Slightly west of, itu sama artinya kayak misalnya gini, contoh. Slightly west of itu artinya sedikit ke arah barat gitu, sedikit ke arah barat. Nah itu bisa jadi sebenarnya dia itu ini northwest gitu. Tapi ya kamu boleh bilang you can say northwest atau kalian boleh ganti bilang slightly west of. Misalnya you're looking for restaurant. Ternyata restoran itu oh dia ada restoran itu slightly west of apa gitu. Misalnya restoran itu ada sedikit di samping ya sedikit ini di sisi barat, sedikit di sisi barat gitu loh. Dekatnya perpustakaan, library gitu. Oh, the restaurant is slightly west of the library atau the restaurant is slightly west of library. Oke, gitu. Boleh kayak gitu, bilang kayak gitu. Jadi sedikit arah utara. Sorry, arah barat, maaf. West itu barat, ya barat benar. Atau bisa bilang just southeast of apa misalnya. Oh, you looking for restaurant? Oh yeah, the restaurant's location is just southeast of library. Itu bisa bilang kayak gitu. Nah, kalau kayak bilang just southeast of library, jadi kan tinggal pikir aja kompas southeast itu di mana sih? Oh, di sini. Kalau kalian lihat dulu library berarti ya probably sampingnya gitu. Sampingnya library itu si restoran. Nah, kenapa teman-teman dia nggak bilang aja kayak gini? Kalau basic kan cuma bilang kayak gini. Oh, it's next to the library. Restorannya next to the library atau apa beside library atau close to the library. Kan bisa bilang kayak gitu ya. Ya kan? Nah, tapi kalau dia level intermediate to advance, oke teman-teman, itu cara ngomongnya tuh udah pasti kayak oh, slightly west of library. Padahal sebenarnya itu cuma sampingnya perpustakaan, cuman dibikin lebih sulit aja cara ngomongnya. Slightly west of library, jauh southeast of library. Like that. Okay? Any question? Any question, guys? Kalau bingung nggak apa-apa ya, bilang aja. Jangan diam-diam ya. Yes?
What it means just southeast itu maksudnya it's in the southeast.
Yes, bener.
Well, so it's the same thing with the first one. No, the second one, and the north or east or in the southwest.
Yes, exactly. Okay. Anything else, Kak Uri, Kak Novi, Kak Masita? You are new here, ya? Okay, you can ask me if you don't understand. Oke? Jadi cara saya itu adalah ngajarin kalian grammar dulu, baru ke speakingnya gitu. Soalnya kalau speaking kan kalian kan masuk intermediate speaking ya, for sure you want to speak ya in English, but in order for you to speak in a good intermediate level adalah kamu learning the grammar first gitu. Ya, oke. Kak Masita, Kak Uri, Kak Novi, do you have question for me?
Miss.
Yes, Kak Novi? Oh, Kak Masita? Was it Kak Masita?
Ini Miss, if something is slightly west of north, so we can say it northwest. Yeah.
Northwest. Yes.
Yeah. Does it also apply to southwest?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay,
Benar.
thank you, Miss.
It's just another way to say it. This is me. Yeah. Okay. I always present to you guys, provide you guys with so many phrases. Why? Supaya kalian nggak itu aja. Ya, bisa ganti-ganti walaupun meaningnya sama gitu. Gitu ya. Oke. Yes, Kak Rofi, do you want to ask me a question? No?
No, Miss.
Oke. Alright, dan kalau gitu kita lihat ke sini habis itu kalian mulai ya role play-nya. Ini berapa orang sih ada? Oh, 7, 6 orang kan? Oke, nanti 2-2 ya habis ini. Give you 10 minutes. Oke, coba lihat dulu di sini ya. Sedikit lagi. Ini, alright. The houses immediately to the north and south of the post office are very near the river. Coba perhatikan the houses. Mana houses di sini? Where is the houses? Ini ya, kita start from here. Houses ya. Nah, the houses immediately to the north, ya, ini north, ya, and south of the post office are very near the river. Mana housesnya? Yuk.
Retirement home.
Sorry?
Oh no.
Where is it located?
Retirement
South.
home.
No. And south.
Very near to the
Oh.
river. Berarti yang ini ya,
Yeah.
right? Oke, ini ya yang dia maksud. Oke, good. Kita dapat satu. The bridge is just beyond the final row of houses heading north. Ayo, perhatikan. Ini bridge. Oh, we find the bridge. It's just beyond the final row of houses. Oh, ini ya berarti ya. Nah, jadi cara ngomongnya apa? Ini ada, oh, where is the bridge? Okay. How can I get to the bridge? Oh, the bridge is just beyond. Berarti melampaui. Beyond itu artinya melampaui. Ya. The final row, okay, of houses. Ini kan houses nih. Right? Ini houses. Ya kan? Heading north. Nah, ini north. Nah, ini otomatis north. Kamu mau lewat sini juga sama aja, teman-teman. Heading north semua. Mau lewat sini, sama aja. Ya, ini tetap ke bridge ya. Nah, itu. Oke. After crossing the bridge, okay, take this second. Berarti kan dari sini nih. After crossing the bridge, okay, kita udah melewati bridge, crossing the bridge, okay. Take this second turning on the left. Mana? Ayo. Bingung nih pasti. Oke. Ayo. Take the second turning on the left.
So, what? Where the post office is?
No, it's not for a second. Turn a second on the left. Berarti mana left?
Left.
Left. Okay. Take the second.
Oh,
The second ya.
primary
Ayo, come on. Wait, hold
Near
on.
the primary school.
retirement
Yes.
home.
Wait, hold
Primary
on. Hold on.
Ulang.
Pelan-pelan. After crossing the bridge, right? Take the second turning. The second, berarti bukan yang first ya. Ini berarti first left kan ke post office. Yang mana yang second? Yang ini ya? Benar?
Yes, the houses. Wait.
Wait,
The
hold on.
left.
Is it the left?
Is
in
it
here?
left or right, Miss?
Left
Yes.
or right, Miss?
So I think the retirement home.
The
Yes,
left,
it's
you
the
know.
right ya.
Oh,
Kayaknya ini right deh. Wait, hold on. Left in here. Yes, it's the right. Oh, it's retirement. Ya, ini harusnya right ya. Sorry guys. Berarti ini kan right.
Yeah,
The
Oh.
second right ya. And then you find?
this one.
Ya, retirement home.
Retirement home.
Yes. The retirement home is just southeast of the primary school. Bener gak? Southeast of the primary school. Bener gak?
Yes.
Primary school kan north. Atau apa dia? Atau south?
north.
North? Ini south. Southeast. Ya? Oke. Oke. Udah bener sih. Ini bukan south ya, ini southeast. Jadi dia sedikit lihat deh. Nih, kayak gini. Cung. Kelihatan? Ya? Alright ya. Oke. The post office to the northwest of the retirement home. Benar nggak? Post office is to the northwest of the retirement home.
Yes, Miss.
Ini post
Yeah.
office. Katanya apa? Where is it? Northwest.
Northwest.
Mana northwest? Di sini. Bener ya. Tuh. Look at that. Okay, can you see? Alright ya. The village of Stokeford is slightly east of the River Stoke. In the River Stoke, we find that. Mana village Stokeford? Stokeford, probably this one in here, around here, is slightly east of the River Stoke. Slightly east. Berarti? In here? Yeah, okay. There is a housing state of the west side of the retirement home. Ya, ini paling susah ya sebenarnya teman-teman. Makanya aku hadirin ini. Jadi teman-teman nanti aku ganti ya ini ya. Ini ganti aja nanti jadi turning on the second right ya. Oke. Tapi ini kalian baca-baca dulu ya. Oke. Sorry ya kalau masih kebingungan, masih bingung ya. Ini kita ngapain sih Miss ya direction. Tapi ini beneran kalian akan butuhkan ya. Jadi kalian baca-baca aja dulu nanti habis kelas. For now, it's your turn. Adalah ini. Ya. Oke. Alright. Nah, I will give you guys like maybe 10 minutes to work on this. Yeah. Look at this one here. There is like Pine Street, Oak Street, and Maple Street. Ya, ada 3 nama jalan di sini. Alright. Dan nanti akan saya tanya, can you point it me out to the gas station? Jadi kamu harus kasih saya jalan ke gas station. Jadi bukan kayak gini. Misalnya you are here, ini kan gas station nih. Alright. Kalau langsung aja, oh you straight ahead aja Miss nih, langsung turn right gas station. No, 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 no. I want it to be more, I want it to be more detailed. Jadi kamu bisa bilang you are here, you head down, alright, to the north. We head down to the north. Tuh, bagus banget tuh. Turn right, okay. Turn right at the Pine Street, and then you go forward. You see the Third Avenue, and then you turn left to the Elk Street. Apa gitu baru kemana baru dapat gas station, oke? Kayak gitu ya teman-teman ya. Jadi semakin banyak kalian bikin cara map directionnya itu banyak, maksudnya cara kalian giving direction, maka poin grammar kalian akan lebih tinggi ya, saya nilai, oke? Ada pertanyaan dulu? Nanti ini saya kirim ke grup ya. Wait, saya kirim ke grup. Ininya, maksudnya PDF-nya, alright? Oke, ada yang mau tanya dulu? Yuk, tanya dulu yuk. Kalau masih ada yang bingung. Ada yang bingung? Ada yang bingung? Maksud saya? Atau gimana?
Miss,
Yes.
what is the function of number 1 clinic, 2 restaurant, and etc.?
Oh, this one here later. Kalau kalian udah tahu gimana bikin map directionnya, aku akan bikin kalian ada yang menjadi travel agent gitu kan. Kayak gini nih. Kayak yang di bawah. Wait, one second. Kayak gini. Kalau ada, saya kan waktu udah nggak cukup ya. Karena ya ternyata kita terlalu lama ya mulainya. Ya, jadi sebenarnya kayak gini, ya kan. Cuman kalau misalnya nanti kalian udah bisa map directionnya udah tahu, nanti aku kasih kalian dua-dua aja. Nanti ada yang nanya, mungkin apa gitu kan, ada yang nanya sambil, mungkin Kak Karima nanya ke Kak Masita, terus kemudian Kak Masita yang jelasin, atau Kak Masita tanya ke Kak Ida, kayak gitu aja nanti sebentar. Bukan aku yang tanya, jadi kalian masing-masing nanya. Cuma tadi aku kasih contoh, misalnya aku tanya ke kalian, can you direct me to the gas station please, gitu. Ya.
Okay, Miss.
Yes. Yes.
So this intersection was that between the Second Avenue and the Oak Street. Did you say it? Do we say that it was an intersection?
What is you pointing at for intersection?
Iya, maksudnya ini kan kayak cross apa ya, kayak perempatan gitu.
Oh ya. Exactly. Yeah, I get what you. Oh ya. Okay, perempatan. Yes.
And
Yeah, you can.
we said that between the buildings, it's the block.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Alright. Bisa ya? Coba beda-beda ya, biar nggak terlalu lama. Kak Masita sama Kak Ida ya, nanti ya saling asking each other. Kak Masita sama Kak Ida, kalian coba bagian Maple Street. Alright? Maple Street ya. Oke. Maple Street itu nggak cuma yang di tengah ini ya. Park, ini juga Maple Street semua ini. Alright? Kemudian Kak Aisyah sama Kak Novi, you are Pine Street ya. Ini Pine Street nih. Nih Pine Street nih. Nah, oke. Kak Karima sama Kak Uri, you are Oak Street. Ya. Oke. Oke, silakan dikerjakan sekarang. Ada yang kurang paham nggak maksud saya, teman-teman? Kalau kurang paham boleh ditanyakan.
Ini tujuannya gas station, Miss.
Enggak.
Oh,
Nanti itu
oh,
tuh cuman contoh aja ya.
okay.
Terserah yang mana. Yang penting aku pengen dengar map directionnya dulu. Udah benar gak? Aku udah
Oh,
kirimin ya di grup ya. Oke.
where's the
Yes.
our position? Where's the our first position?
Your first position still in here.
Which one?
Oke, Kak Ida, Kak Masita? Ya.
Where?
Ini.
In the
Here.
last one, right? Okay.
Yes. All of you guys start in here. This is your first.
Hmm.
Oke.
Okay.
Jauh banget sih emang Kak Ida. But it's very good. Yuk, cobain.
All right.
Oke. Yes.
Directly now or after 5 or 10 minutes?
Now.
Now, okay.
Yes, now. 5 minutes
For
kayaknya
Masito,
enough ya.
right?
Sorry?
Now?
Now. Please work
Okay.
now.
For Miss Masita, right? I will be with Mrs. Masita. Miss Masita.
Yes, but you guys can
Okay.
just write your map direction verse. After that, Kak Masita will ask you any kind of, for example, Kak Masita will ask you, Kak Ida, can you point me to the hospital gitu. Jadi cuman kayak gitu aja sebenarnya, gitu.
All right.
Ya, you
Me
can
first
ask.
or she's the one first? Me first?
What do you mean by the? Well, we see later. Gini aja, kalian kerjain aja map direction masing-masing dulu. Nanti pada saat presentation kalian masing-masing yang saling tanya. Kayak gitu.
Okay.
Ya, tapi ini masing-masing ngerjainnya. Oke, coba 5 minutes from now. Oke, boleh. Kayaknya aku pilih aja deh ya, biar nggak terlalu lama. Kak Ida sama Kak Masita, please kalian kerjain yang direction ke computer store, hospital, bus station. Itu aja. Kemudian yang tadi, yang di Pine Street, kerjainnya houses, kemudian department store, sama playground. Oke. Terus tadi yang bagian Oak Street kalian boleh kerjain apa? Ini Central Park Indomaret lagi. Hair salon ini opsional ya. Maksudnya kalian boleh tambah-tambahin aja nih. Apalagi yang bagian Oak Street dan Maple Street ya. Yang Oak Street tadi boleh police station, movie theater sama library. Ya, silakan dikerjakan.
Miss, ini houses, playground, department store itu tujuan kita.
Sorry?
We are from Pine Street. Terus tadi yang Miss pilihin itu our destination.
Yes. Disamain aja destination-nya. 3 aja, nggak apa-apa. Ya.
Okay.
Aku udah kirim di grup ya, teman-teman ya. Coba dulu, nggak apa-apa. Coba dulu. Oh, kalau kamu starternya gimana? Kalau kamu plus rate, oh turn right itu apa gitu. Cobain dulu yang itu. Jadi speakingnya hari ini nggak terlalu banyak, sorry ya teman-teman ya, karena kalau giving direction, asking direction, sambil kalian nulis ya, sambil saya ngobrol-ngobrol nih, we need to really look closely on the grammar. Tapi untuk tomorrow kita akan banyak speaking lagi ya. Ini karena baru pertama juga perdana juga, kita main-main ini aja dulu ya. Tapi ini juga sangat useful, very very useful ya, karena ya kepake nanti kalau kalian tes IELTS gitu kan, listeningnya, writing IELTS itu semuanya pakai pakai map gitu. Kalian akan mendengarkan listeningnya pakai map. Oke.
Miss,
Yep.
I'm sorry, I don't know Uri's number, and I asked in the group. She didn't replied it yet.
Oh well, gini aja Kak Karima, you just like write down your map direction with your own version. Nanti kalau udah selesai, baru kamu sama Kak Uri. Misalnya kamu tanya ke Kak Uri, alright, you are Oxford, right? Kak Uri, can you point it me to the gym gitu? Terus Kak Uri nanya kamu, can you point it me to the police station gitu aja sebenarnya.
Oh,
You don't need to
okay.
exchange number, ya. Sebenarnya harusnya role play, cuman karena waktu udah nggak cukup ya nggak apa-apa gitu aja dulu. Yang penting kalian, aku tahu bahwa kalian mengerti gitu gimana bikin map. Oke?
Okay, miss. Thank you.
Alright. Okay, don't worry. Udah ada nggak ya yang TOEFL? Oh, udah ada yang TOEFL juga ya. Guys, for 4 minutes more aja ya. For tomorrow kita masih ngomongin bagian-bagian ini, city ya. Ini kan udah kalian lihat nih ada beberapa city places here, right? So tomorrow we're gonna talk about public places, ya. Public places itu public places in your own area. Ya, yang kita akan ngomongin besok ya. Kita akan belajar public places besok. Jadi kita mulai speaking besok ya. Uh, Public places, alright? Yang kayak gini-gini nih, movie theater gitu. Tapi ya beda-beda, nggak semuanya sama public placesnya. Jadi ya ngejelasin gitu, misalnya I mean the most popular movie theater or the most popular bookstore in your area, what is it? Okay, why people come there. Jadi agak lebih banyak speakingnya besok ya. Oke, okay. Kita ngomongin public places aja. We never did that before. We never done that. Sorry Kak Salsa, Kak Kansa, sebentar lagi ya Kak Kansa, Kak Salsa ya. 5 minutes more ya. Okay guys, 3 minutes more. Two minutes more. I have ini ya, kuis ya buat kalian ya. Boleh maksimal besok dikirimin. Probably afternoon ya, paling lama afternoon ya. Kalau bisa malamin dikirimin boleh. Ini listening ya. Eh, ada di saya kan udah ngirimin material ya. I'll give you the material group ya di grup ya. Nah ini teman-teman boleh banget silahkan dengerin listeningnya terus langsung jawab aja di boleh di paper on your paper dan and you send it to the group ya. Eh, ada apa slide paling terakhir ya. Itu ada listening map direction from British Council ya. Kalian dengerin baik-baik, kalian lihat lihat gambarnya, the pictures is on your power on your material ya yang udah which I already send it to the group chat. Tapi kalian dengerin listeningnya dari sini ya. I give you the link. Ini kuis kalian. Kalau kalian bisa yang ini, insya Allah kalian ini nih bisa coba-coba ngerjain IELTS gitu. Maksudnya listening IELTS yang map gitu. One second. Ya, jadi kalian harus tahu yang di listening ini, what are they talking about and which direction they pinpoint ya, yang dia pointed out which direction gitu. Misalnya kalian dengar, oh kayaknya dia ngomongin direction kalau kita mau pergi ke bus station deh. Nah, oke. Kalian boleh bilang itu dari bus apa? Wait a second. Karena ada ABCD-nya kok, dia bilang nanti. Right?
Go straight on, then take the first left onto Green Street. Walk past the library and it's the building next to the library on the left.
Jadi apa yang dia bilang, kalian tinggal kayak bilang aja, oh yang dia bilang pertama itu ini sinema, apakah yang dia bilang pertama gitu kan? Gitu.
Go straight on, go past the traffic lights, you will see a shop on the right. Go past that, and it's on the right next to the shop.
If you want to practice yourself, well, you can listen to the listening quiz only for once ya. Jangan twice. Kalau twice berarti kalian ini apa bisa benar semua gitu kan. Maksudnya aku sih expected you guys dapat semuanya ya gitu ya. Karena ini cuman 1 minute kok, 1 minute doang gitu ya. Latihan aja, tapi ini British accent. Why? Karena memang kalau di TOEFL itu kan nggak ada ya. Tapi kalau IELTS ada, kalau TOEFL kan nggak ada. Jadi memang rata-rata yang map right direction itu ya cuman IELTS gitu. So you guys can ya practice lah ya, 1 minute aja dengerin gitu. Oh yang dia maksud apa sih gitu kan? Which building that they are overing to gitu. Oke, yuk ada yang udah beres? Ya udah selesai nggak?
Maybe.
Oh,
We
Kaisha, you finish?
we start from you are here, Miss.
Yes, Kanofi, are
Yeah.
you finished?
Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Mine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kanofi with Kaisha, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So Kanofi, you
Yeah.
can ask Kaisha which building that you want her to point it out for you, and as Kaisha, you can also do the same thing. Okay? Untuk asking directionnya boleh diikutin yang tadi tuh, ya tinggal pilih aja yang mana. Alright, please Kanofi and Kaisha, the floor is yours.
I go first.
Sure.
Hi, Miss Aisha.
Yeah.
Could you tell me how to get to playground?
Okay. Yeah, sure. I will tell you. First, go down to the end of the road and then turn right to the Pine Street. Go straight ahead until you find the intersection. Make the right turn. The playground is in the first building. The playground is the first building of the block. Like this, Miss?
Okay,
Mhm.
that's very good. That's very good. All right. Okay, coba
Okay.
exchange. Kaisha lagi ke Kanofi.
Okay. Miss Nohi, would you mind to direct me to the department store?
Yeah, sure. So start from here, go head down, and then the first intersection of two streets, turn to the left. Turn to the right side.
Okay.
At the second intersection, you turn to the right side, and then you can see that after that go straight, and the building is beside of straight ahead. The building is beside of the playground and across of or in front of the supermarket.
Okay. What I suggest you guys is to use the compass, like north. All right, that's very good if you want to use that. Yeah. Okay. But so far so good. Ya, kalian berdua, alright, you pointed out the directions, which is very good ya. Udah benar juga ya. Aku lihat juga grammarnya udah cukup banget ya. Dan perbedaan kalian juga tadi beda banget ya. Kayaknya kayak gak ada yang mau bilang turn right aja sih gitu. Mau kayak pokoknya aku pengen lebih gak cuman turn right doang Miss gitu. Very good. I like it. Okay, I like that. Saya lebih suka kalau nggak basic gitu ya, karena intermediate level harus lebih naik ya. Oke? Thank you Kak Rofi, Kak Aisyah. I'm sorry for today kalau speakingnya nggak banyak ya. Buat besok kalian akan banyak speaking lagi ya. Alright? Karena ini cuma kelas perdana dulu ya. Aku pengen latih grammarnya ini dulu yang ini nih gitu ya. Oke, thank you so much ya guys ya for trying ya. I love it.
Thank
Really,
you, Miss.
truly. Okay. Next, Kak Ida, you wanna try? With
Yes.
Kak Mashita, right? Okay, please.
Yeah.
The floor
Okay.
is yours.
Who will be the
Kak Masih,
first?
yeah, you ask me first.
Okay. Um. Could you help me find the way to gas station?
Of course, sure. I'll tell you. From here, you just take for the first block, then the right side. For the north, you throw by the Third Avenues, the last intersection. The north in the north side, in the Maple Street, the gas station in the corner. I think not corner in northwest.
No.
Hmm?
Gas station is not in the corner.
Not in the corner, right?
No. So
The gas station on the Maple Street in the
Okay.
last building after the clinic.
The clinic? Oh, after the clinic. Okay.
Yes.
The last building after the clinic.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay.
I think
Okay.
this is
Okay.
the north also, right?
It's north. Yes.
I said north.
Oh.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. Let's go again. Please.
Okay, Miss Mashita, excuse me. Can you help me? Which way leads to the clinics, please?
Sure. Okay. From here, go for blocks, then turn right. Onto
Second
Pines.
blocks?
One blocks.
One block?
One
First
block.
block.
One block. Oh, first block.
Yes. Pine Street
After
then. Here.
okay.
Okay.
After that, go to the Third Avenue
Okay.
and head north,
And north.
and then they take the first left
Okay.
and go west onto the Oak Street, and you will see an intersection. Then turn right there. After that, apa ya? Turn right, and the clinic is after the gas station.
Or you can say the clinic is between gas station and bus station, okay?
Okay, between gas station and bus station.
Okay, thank you. Good job. All right. All right, I love your effort. All right. Last one. Okay. Kak Uri and Kak Karima, please.
Okay, Miss. May I take the first?
Mm-hmm. Sure.
Okay. Okay. Karima, could you show me the way to the police station?
Okay. From here, you can walk north along the Second Avenue and wait a minute, miss.
Mm-hmm. Along, all right? You say along.
Mm-hmm.
So it's almost to the Second Avenue. Okay.
And then continue straight until you reach Oak Street. Then turn east and walk for a short distance. The police station is on the right,
Here.
just south of the hotel.
Okay. That's it?
Yes.
All right. Okay. It's very good, guys. If you like putting some kind like compass in there, right? Maybe you can say like it's likely apa is the opposite from the hotel, or you can go with the compass like it's on the where is this one here? South ya. Ini south ini east ya. East side ya.
Yes.
Ya, benar nggak sih? Wait one second. Let me check my. Yeah, you can
Yeah,
go with that. East side kan?
mm-mm.
Ya. Ya, benar east side, right? Nah, itu boleh ya. Coba dibikin kayak gitu teman-teman yuk. Jangan takut-takut pakai kompasnya. Ya. Oke, thank you so much Kak Karima for trying. Alright. Kak Uri, last one, please, from you.
So I asked Kak Uri, right, Miss?
Sure, please.
Okay. Kak Uri, can you tell me how to get to the library, please?
Okay, after you go out from the school, then heading forward at the Second Avenue, and then you take the second right to Oak Street, and the library is the north of the Central Park.
Okay. Alright. Okay. Oke guys, so far masih kompasnya masih sulit digunakan ya. Beda nggak apa-apa, kita akan coba lagi besok ya. Tapi besok adalah kalian akan ngomongin soal public places ya. Cuman aku pengen kalian bikin map sendiri juga. Mulai dari sekarang bikin mapnya public places, misalnya apa gitu ya, ke mall gitu. Nanti besok lah kita bikin ya. Ya, maksudnya dari rumah kalian ke mall gitu. Kalian giving direction about it. And also you telling us about what is this public places ya, the mall, kenapa orang-orang ke sana segala macam ya. Pokoknya kita besok akan bahas itu ya. Dan lebih banyak speaking dari kalian karena ini udah dikasih tahu gimana bentuk-bentuk directionnya ya. Besok tinggal kalian yang lebih banyak ngomongin soal from your house to the public station that I will choose it for you tomorrow, itu gimana dan why people go there, why is it considered as the famous one, bla 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 ya. Kita akan ngomongin itu besok ya, teman-teman ya, for the public places. Alright. And then what things that would you recommend for government? Kita akan belajar itu juga, apa-apa aja nanti akan saya kasih tahu ya gimana cara bentuk karamarnya dan kalimat-kalimatnya. Thank you so much guys for today. Do you have any question?
No, Miss.
Okay. So I expect you guys for tomorrow untuk lebih banyak more speaking ya, more action. Okay.
Miss,
Jadi saya
can I ask
tinggal
you a
dengar
question?
aja.
Miss,
Yeah.
how about this? What is the task homework